Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to change volume balance on the following car. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the car setting, this blue icon right here. And from the left tab, all you need to do is select Sound and Display. From Sound and Display, you need to be in Sound Effect tab. Scroll down to see here Sound Effect Settings. As you can see here, you can find volume balance. So you can check out that you can move your volume balance here on the whole car. For example, you can set up volume balance on the driver's side, on the passenger side, or for example on your rear passengers. In my case, I will be driving this car myself, so I like to have volume balance near the driver side. If you would like to go to the default settings, let's just tap Restore Defaults and you can keep it centered. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.